wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best men's sunglasses. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10. Modelled after the iconic shades of arguably the most beloved member of the Beatles, the dollger John Lennon feature non-polarized circular lenses in frames with protective springs that can absorb shocks and bend to safeguard your investment. These sport a rock and roll aesthetic and come with a maintenance screwdriver. However, they are tight on large heads. At number 9, built from 100% natural bamboo, the 4S shades 50/50 make a great conversation piece for eco-conscious consumers. The company plants 2 trees for every pair purchased, so they're more than just a superficial statement. They come with durable double spring hinges and float if dropped in water, but they fit too loosely for some. Coming in at number 8 in our list. If you want that wayfarer look without spending a ton of money, the Zerouv UV Retro can give it to you in almost any color lens you desire. These come polarized and are mirrored for an extra bit of flair. They're sold singly and in multi-packs and are a good unisex option. However, some of the colors are a bit tacky. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for men's sunglasses, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, the attcl driving provide wide coverage and excellent protection with a 100% UV400 coating. They feature an extra strength aluminum alloy frame that can take a beating, but since the lenses are exposed, these may chafe your cheeks. They do reduce glare effectively and are made from water-repellent materials, but they feel rather heavy. Moving up our list to number 6. The Ray-Ban folding Wayfarer combined classic style with clever technology. A couple of hinges here and there and voila, you have a pint-sized pair of shades that can be tucked away in a persol pocket. They're great for use while traveling or as an everyday accessory. These include a compact case and a sturdy composite plastic frame. However, the lenses aren't polarized. Halfway up our list at number 5, the Persol Square will stand the test of time and look just as good in 40 years. They feature a quality resin frame and are reminiscent of something leading actors of the last few decades might have worn. They boast a classic keyhole bridge and feel lightweight. They're flattering on almost all face shapes. At number 4, the Maui Gym Hot Sands are ideal for use on and around water. Their polarized lenses reduce the glare coming off the surface, allowing you to enjoy a squint-free day or get a better look at potential catches. They boast a smudge-resistant coating and comfortable nose bridge pads. They sit snugly on the face. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, the adidas kumacross 2.0 feature a sleek wraparound style and are available in 3 colors. They boast ultraviolet protective coatings on the lenses to protect your eyes from damaging UV rays. The tint isn't too dark and they have a 16mm bridge. They include a hard case. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for men's sunglasses, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, whether you're a pilot or simply like the sporty look of aviators, the Under Armour Getaway should please. They're available in several finishes such as satin gunmetal and glossy silver, and the nose pads are adjustable for a secure, comfortable fit. These are a trendy oversized design with impact-resistant lenses, and they won't fall off during light activity. And coming in at number 1 in our list, the Oakley fuel cell are equipped with a stress-resistant frame and proprietary Plutonite polycarbonate lenses that filter out almost all UV rays. These are a good choice for photographers, drivers, and law enforcement personnel. They're available with prescription lenses and sport attractive metal accents. You can get them in 58 and 60mm options. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for men's sunglasses, or simply click beneath this video.